Welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favourite coke them. Now I talk about the diet coke. Now I talk about the coke. Right. Criminal dynasty. You know about the Lester Light coke. The Christopher coke. Today we're going to talk about Lanchester coke. aka Bama T. In that jail of foreign, I show you the case documents. I go through with it, you know. But me say Bama T, that jail, charge him get locked up for. Thought to myself, here we go again. Repeat offenders. If they just got some opportunity and then he left and then he wouldn't have to because it's only called this in the environment. It's played out now. Before we go into that, I'll show you the documents then. Patreon birthday shout out goes out to Garrett. Today, I am actual birthday. Yes, Garrett aka Pine Nut. Celebrating him earth strong today. 3-year veteran of the Patreon squad. In Uncle Sam place, I go and do him thing. Pick up yourself. Right. Do what you have to do and earn what you have to earn, but don't forget Iron Man. No care if it look though. Don't ever turn your back on Iron Man. Some like when time people that are foreign and still interested in what I go on the Iron Man because them constantly I feel out the place. I wonder what I go on. Things I look better what I go on over here so. Can I tell you, enough of the people them in Uncle Sam place, enough of the people in Canada, UK, Cayman, right, all over Europe and them place, enough of them have to go touch back Iron Man. Right, and I carry back home. Right. Some of the skills and the knowledge that them have and some of the money that they have and invest it back in the Iron Man. Right. Because you know who, right, now start pile up an Iron Man, foreign guy, Asian guy, European guy, them a pile up in the Iron Man, I buy up this and I buy up that. Enough Jamaicans who are foreign, right, if we don't want to get left behind, I've got to start do the same thing. We know so enough of them look out to see if certain situations fixed. The Billy Joe guy in the business about crime, because most of the crime not really affect him, but the Jamaican who are foreign, right, them a watch hard. Right. Because them know so unlike Billy Joe, them they get certain protections, still don't give up for Iron Man. So big up Garrett. We could talk about Lanchester coke, aka Bama T. They lock him up, Uncle Sam place. But them say you just need opportunity, cause you them get opportunity and go so boom. Then they just drop a foreign and they say start a new life and people only change right, when they really make up their mind to change. Right, the idea is that people because of when they are forced him to do this and force him to do that, but now force nothing. Only thing we force is how Bama T force him win a badness. That boy Bama T force him win a badness. Matter of fact, even him nickname, him street name, right, is manufactured to try sound tough, to try sound like some kind of ruthless killer. Bama T. His name is Lanchester. How much killy you know? Name Lanchester. How much Jamaicans point blank you know? Name Lanchester. Sound like some knight at the round table. Sound like a noble Englishman. Sound like he sits on the dinner table with Henry VIII. Sounds like him and Queen Elizabeth, right, have brunch. Sound like him and Queen Victoria have tea and crumpets. Lanchester him name. Lanchester coke. Bama T them a uptown youth. Let me say it one more time. Bama T them a uptown youth. A force him in a badness. And him want each up on a certain ends and each up in a certain place. He never have to take up nothing. Just like enough of them. Them selling that sad story so that your heart can melt. Oh my God. Well, you know, like Bama T, he had to survive. He had to do this to survive. No, he didn't. The idea that somebody with a want bad and want to run place and want to be done and want to be killy is something that baffles your scholars to this day. Because it don't make no sense to them. Because they don't understand the culture. They can read all the books them want on economics and sociology and wokeology and criminology course in Winnipeg. But there's no book where fully teach them the culture and how it works. So the idea is somebody would have want bad, somebody would have forced them way in a badness. Somebody would have beg and plead for kill people, no make sense to them. Them thinks the people bad and kill because they have to survive. See for how they telling you. Man I call him and say, yo, link up the black dog. Because every night we there saw lock be a gun and we not make no dopey. We want kill sitting. That's something your scholars will never understand until they understand the culture. Man I link C4 and say, yo, link the black dog. Because me there saw nothing. I know me can't make a dopey while I go on. Me feel like a nerd, feel like a gun bag, more make a dopey. Tell the man say we send up on some shooting right now. Bama T force him way in a badness. I guess the Coke legacy was too much to resist. Talk about money and education. The Coke boys, them have the whole of that. A Woolmers and Arden and them school, let them go. Bama T down to some place. Catch a charge. I'm showing you the court documents them up on the screen right now. Mr. Lanchester Cook. See there? Year of birth 1991. Male. Race Irish Saxon. Height 6 feet. Weight 215 pounds. Nativity Ireman. Bail status, they no give you no bail. What the charge say? 125.25 FA, murder, second degree, a felony. Interesting times. Lanchester Cook. Sound like he should be in Bridgerton's, doesn't he? Bamati. With a name like Lanchester, you sound like you should be in Bridgerton. Bridgerton season 5, I forgot get Lanchester. But this ain't no night at the round table. This is the night of the coke table. Put money per man head. Say man fi dead. Bama T escape. With a big murder charge in the Ironman. Bust the case with P-Boy. Left gone. A foreign. Him get where. Him get where. The whole of them get to with murder. Everybody knows how them kill P-Boy, but we know how court thing work. No witness, no case. So him get Lego. Bama T them have visa from how long. Bama T no smuggle across no border. Bama T have visa. Can travel how long. What ain't go foreign go do? With this quote unquote second chance, third chance, fourth chance, 50th chance. What ain't gonna go do? Pick up back the same charge. The same badness fighting the same war. His environment has changed, but his culture and his mindset hasn't. His environment has changed, but his culture and his mindset hasn't. That's why when Mikey go to foreign and go turn Al Capone, he make whole heap of money and send in our own. It's the culture, guy. The scholars them not get teach this criminology course, so still not get it. Hopefully them catch up in 2044. You can run left your environment, but your culture and your mindset goes with you. When Jamaicans go foreign, them suddenly don't stop loving curry chicken. When Jamaicans go foreign, them don't suddenly stop craving stew peas and red pea soup and tin mackerel and rice. They have the same craving. Your culture is your culture. And if you have an acidic culture and mindset within you, anywhere you go, acidity will follow. Unless people take a conscious effort to really change them life. Mama T them not plan to change their life. Think Mama T want to give up on quote unquote dance status? No one give up on that. Charge it badness and all them people that were left. Iron Man and said them gone over here so. Do they go to make Iron Man a better place? No. Max and the whole of them, Augustone, what them do send back gun, send back hit. Because them location change, their environment change, but their culture and mindset remains. Culture remains. Now, the only thing where might end up work out in Obama T favor is that him get hold in one of the softest state them in the Uncle Sam place when it comes down to crime, which is New York. In the Uncle Sam place, depending from state to state, right, spooky things will get for you. New York are one of the more woke state them. So, unlike places like Florida and certain places where, depending on the charge you get in a certain one state, then things might get real spooky for you. But you get all in New York, the place they woke. Then place they disarm the whole of the law-abiding people and make the whole of the gunman them have the gun them. So if we go see what happened to him. I see after them said next court date was the 9th of July. That's yesterday. So if we get an update on this. But he was incarcerated on the 5th of July. It's a recent thing. From the whole and pan me here right away now. I say no. I want to dox them for show the people. I want to case them. That's a good thing with Uncle Sam place now. You can just go so boom, 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 boom. Right then get everything pull up. Because people have to see it to believe it. That Mr. Lanchester Coke. The name will sound like it belong on Bridgerton's. Like it belong right, sitting beside Queen Victoria. Eating some tea and crumpets. Repeat offenders. Same people over and over, yard and abroad. Because two I'm doing now. Now, talking about New York, I have a video come up. Basically, I'm going to talk about the fact that enough things the Jamaicans claim say them done with Iron Man for. I just excuse them a look, turn them back on their country forever. And I talk about the Jamaican thing, we say them not ever go back to Jamaica because Jamaica too dirty and the streets too dirty. I'm going to drop a video I talk about some place them not fine. When I talk about, so when Jamaicans say them go them places, to get rid of, dirtiness, we know say, man, Irish stop something because New York have rat. We're so big that they can beat up the dog in their yard. And man left Iron Man say, entire that crime. And I say, nah, ever go back to Iron Man and go and live in St. Louis and Baltimore. Which makes no sense. Go to that video. But Mr. Quote unquote Bama T, which is his scary name, if you have a scary name, like how the DJ boy, the Puss in Boots, call himself Lord Evil. Right? Went from Pepsi to Lord Evil. Yeah. Like a swamp team. See how this turned out. If only he had a slice of bread to eat, he wouldn't have to do this. Poor little Bama T. Poor Bama T. Hopefully the malnutrition don't kill him. Poor Bama T. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.